Let's open up this SpaceX Dragon rocket from the Matchbox mainlines. Packaging looks also very cool, by the way. I found this one at the Action in the Netherlands, and I found it at the Dreamland in Belgium. Feels pretty heavy, by the way. Here, this part is plastic, and we got some text here. Let's see what it says. TM SpaceX Dragon and the Matchbox made in Thailand. I believe we can, yes. You can take this apart. Can you also take this part off? No. And then you can put it like this on the ground. This here is feels metal. SpaceX logo, the American flag. Do I have more space models in my collection? Yes. Let's have a look at those. So here we're going upstairs. This is the garden. And here is my diorama setup. Some cars. And here is the display cabinet. It's just a Billy from the IKEA. Works pretty well. And here I've got some space stuff. Not much. Yeah, Star Wars, of course. This is from the Hot Wheels Star Wars. I did a review about this set, a really cool set, by the way. This is also from Hot Wheels, but a little bit cheaper. Hey, we got the Elon Musk, the Tesla, very cool card. And already the SpaceX Dragon in package. And now also, voila, out of the package. More Star Wars there in the back. X-Men plane. I've got it in blue and in black. There is the black version. Another sort of space shuttle. I've got this one from David from Twice Diecast. Thank you very much for that. The Venture Star. Pretty cool model. Still have to make a photo with the NASA patrol car in combination with a rocket. This is also a very cool model. This is from the tank set from X-Car Toys. This is the Chase. Yes, got a metal base. How cool is this? I think they did really well. Super cool. Yes, can I put this back on? Yep. This Falcon Millennium, I'm going to use this for a video that is coming with, I've got it right here because I found this as a gas station. I'm going to do a review about it. This is from a magazine model. And here we got the Falcon Millennium. Okay. and I believe this one is from that same set. This is from a while ago, and I found that Star Wars a couple of weeks ago when I was visiting the Comic-Con. Oh, yeah, I've got more space stuff right here. Here from a Moonraker. I've got from the Micro Galaxy Squadron, the Millennium Falcon, and also the Razor Quest and a G.I. Joe. And I think I have... yes, I also have this one. This is a very cool item, also very big. Still in the box. I now have it for a couple of years. It's from the brand Dragon. And they make really cool stuff. Yeah, you can see the cockpit because it's transparent. Really cool item. Still have to do a review about it. Who knows? Who knows? Ooh, almost forgot to mention that I got the X-37B, a secret space shuttle from the US government. This is also from the brand Dragon, if I'm right. Made out of diecast in a 1/72 scale. Very cool model. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.